Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this masala prawn rice. It is very nice and tasty, perfect for tiffin box or you want to carry it for your office lunch. Very nice. Do try this recipe friends. Let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. All the ingredients that I've used to this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Here I've cleaned and reserved prawns. You have to just wash it thoroughly, drain all that excess moisture out and reserve it. I've already cooked the basmati rice and reserved. Finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic, chilies, coriander. I've also finely chopped some capsicum and reserved. We need lime, ginger and garlic paste. Fried rice masala, this is Schezwan masala. It's available in all the supermarkets. We need eggs, kasuri methi, pepper powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder. For the prawns, I'll be marinating it. I'll first marinate the prawns and reserve it. So here to the prawns I've added lime juice. Next I'll be adding chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder. We'll mix all of this. Also add some salt and reserve it. Because in the next 5-10 minutes when we are preparing the onions and chilies and everything, this prawns will marinate. I've also added some ginger and garlic paste to marinate the prawns. Now using a chopper, I'm going to chop the coriander, garlic, ginger and chilies as fine as possible. So adjust the chili quantity as per your preference because I tend to eat spicy food. So I like it spicy. And this chopper is so good. I've been using it constantly for all my recipes. I don't know why I delayed purchasing it. This is Pigeon brand chopper. They have not sponsored me. I purchased this from Amazon. It is very cheap and excellent when you are preparing such recipes. Now to a wok I've added some oil and I've added the eggs to the oil. I'm going to scramble it and I'll reserve the eggs. We need to add some salt and pepper for the eggs. Once it's scrambled, just reserve it. Don't scramble it too much and don't cook it, overcook it. Just scramble it slightly and reserve it. Now the same wok I'll be adding oil. I'll start tempering the oil with some dried red chilies. So that dried red chilies enhances the flavor and taste of this recipe. Now I've added some ghee and oil and I'll add the dried red chilies. Just break it and add it. All the ingredients used in this recipe friends will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. Now I've added that finely chopped coriander, ginger, garlic. I just fried it for a minute and then I've added the finely chopped onion. We'll fry the onion and that entire masala till the onion turns transparent. So you get a good flavor. Try this recipe friends, it's very nice. This is something I just tried and I wanted to shoot it when I'm preparing it, because whenever we tend to prepare all such recipes, no, we don't have an actual recipe for this, but when as we are going we prepare it, and I wanted to show you the exact thing what I did. Now I'll be adding the marinated prawns and we will fry this in that onion masala. We just have to allow the prawns to cook for 2 minutes. Keep it on high flame itself. Don't keep it on low flame because the prawn will release a lot of its moisture. It has to eventually dry out. Place it on high flame. Add the kasuri methi and place it on high flame. You can eat it as it is. It's very nice and tasty with rotis and all this masala. Or you can prepare it like this. Now here you can see the prawns have cooked well. Now I'll be adding the scrambled eggs and capsicum. We'll just fry the scrambled eggs and capsicum for 2 minutes. I just allowed it to cook for 2 minutes, not more than that. And immediately we'll be adding the rice, cooked rice. And we need to toss all of this till the masala is well combined with the rice. So try this out friends, it's very nice. At this point you can just stop and you can serve it as a masala, prawn masala. And the prawns that I purchased were so large, I had to chop it into small pieces and then use it in this recipe. I couldn't find the small ones. This is wild catch prawns, it seems. So I have purchased it. So I really like this taste. If you tend to get this wild catch prawns in your locality, try it. It's very nice. So here you can see the prawns have cooked well, and at this point I'll be adding the masala, that is that fried rice masala. Just tiny amount of that Schezwan masala, it gives that good flavor. Now I'll be adding the rice. The basmati rice, I cooked it in the wok itself. So for 1 cup of rice, I've used 1.5 cups of water. You normally measure the rice in the coffee tumbler. So measure it like that and you add it. Or you can measure the rice in the tea tumbler. So that cup, whichever cup you're taking, 1.5 cups of water. I did not soak the rice. So I just washed it, and once my water started to boil, I added the rice and I cooked the rice for 15 minutes. It was well done. So here you can see my rice is well mixed. So I just allowed it to cook for another 2 minutes and topped it with some ghee, and one final mix, I'll be serving it. Really enjoyed this, friends. I had served this along with some mint raita, and I really enjoyed it. Try it for yourself and post your comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.